Hello, hello, hello. I'm here working on a 1960s, 1970s model old ass furnace. That thing is heavy. I like never got it in the truck. Took everything I had in me. But we're getting ready to find out what's in this sucker. I done took the screws out. On some of it anyway. I know it's full of dirt daubers. Got one big motor down in there. My phone is crooked. It's got a hell of a heat exchanger in it. It's a copper wire for a thermostat. I think the reason why it's so heavy is because it's full of dirt daubers in it. That's the number one copper. More copper. More copper, more money, Jimbo. Got a bunch of wire in here. Where's that squirrel cage? Alright, let me go get my wire cutters. I'll be right back. And again, I wasn't prepared. A piece of Romex. Insulated number 2. There's gonna be some brass connections. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to flip this darn thing around to work on it. I'm telling you, this dude is freaking heavy. I ain't never in my life seen something this small. It's about 6 foot long. You see how wide it is. It's about as deep as it is wide. That's what she said. Ah! There's a squirrel cage. Damn near froze up. That's some kind of switch right there, but it may have some brass in it. Alright. Power box. Ooh-wee. Okay. Just got a couple of wires in it. We'll snip them off. Yeah. Snip them off there. I'll get in there and just pull them out. There goes that light switch. There's a fuse goes right there too. Hope everybody's day is going good. Mine was like a kick in the teeth. But it's all good. You gotta do it. You gotta keep it going. That dang insulation, that shit sucks. Alright. tool set. Half the damn time they don't want to come with straight screwdrivers, because I guess they're getting ready to be obsolete or something. I know, I'm blocking the camera. Only reason why I'm working on this thing today is because I gotta get it out of my truck. And it's so damn heavy, I didn't even want to mess with it. But it was free, so I took it. I was a sucker for the free stuff. Outside, so I didn't have a good angle. Oh yeah, bend over. Let life take it. Is it what you do? Yeah. More wire. Alright. Let me see if I can turn this darn thing around. You might accidentally hear me say a bad word, and had to go change my drawers because this thing's heavy. Look at that damn heat exchanger is what's so heavy. Let me move this barrel. I may not be able to turn it around. Oh shit. That thing's plumb full of dirt diver's nest. So there's some of the weight there too. There's a lot of brass in this thing. I'll get lucky, my phone's gonna fall over. There's a little power supply in here. This is a little bitty one. I gotta figure out how to get that gas valve and all that crap out of there. Gas furnace. Yeah. Okay. I'll go back to that. This is another first for something this old. There's some brass screws. Brass connections. It's been a cold one today, guys. Not as cold as some of you guys' place, but it's been cold for me. I mean, it ain't been that bad, really, if the damn wind would die down a little. Okay. Put some brass screws in my pocket. Oh, my. Nice little chunk of wire. The number 2 insulated. Don't think it's going to have any number 1 other than this Romex. Standard electrical wire. 14.3. I do believe. Don't quote me on that. want to change a lot. Change screws. Whole bunch of dang different screws in here. Just the old pilot light area. You probably know screws. Old rusty screws get stuck. Several things that I need to get done. Oh, hey, before I forget, I've got a farm pickup to go do as soon as this weather dries out. So be expecting a video. My friend's brother called, or had my friend called me, and her brother, when they come in, and they got a bunch of stuff piled up, and he told me, if you come up here and get this stuff and haul it off, we'll split the money. So I was like, well, I said, you know, I don't like doing that because I always get accused of taking more than my half and all that stuff and this and that. I said, but since I know you, I'll see what I can do. So hopefully this coming Friday, if it ain't raining, there's some brass in there, switches, but anyway, hopefully Friday, if it ain't raining, I'm gonna take my trailer up there, and we're gonna start loading this stuff up. Guys, I'm telling you, this person may as well have a scrapyard, because it's there's every bit of 12 tons of scrap metal up there. I'm getting ready to love every minute of it. So I'm gonna, everything else I got going, hold on a minute, you probably can't hear me back here. Everything else I got going, I'm gonna put on the back burner. Get this job here done, get some money rolling in, and make a couple good videos out of it. I know it's gonna be about 8 or 10 good loads. Let me go get my Sawzall. I'll be right back. This is gonna be fun because I mean appliances, heavy steel, everything in this pile. This daggone pile is probably 30 foot tall, 70 foot long, and 14 foot deep. It's a hell of a pile. But I will keep you guys posted, and I'm gonna make a couple of videos off of it. I'm gonna try to anyway. What it weighs, what it pays, all that good stuff. Let me cut this pipe real quick. Hold your ears. That pipe was made back when pipe was really made. Woo. Cut us. I know. Running away. There's a gas valve. Good old gas valve. I know. Open her up. There's some cast. Little plastic crap, but anyway, there's copper inside these. If I ain't mistaken. Shit, I can't even see. That look like brass pipe to y'all? Looks kind of yellow to me. I'll find out in a minute. Damn. Scared myself. No, that wasn't brass pipe. That was galvanized pipe. Get her done. I may just have to throw this dude on the freaking trailer if I get somebody to help me. Because I ain't looking to change my drawers today. My God. Thing's full of wire too. I don't know why, because hell, there ain't nothing up there. There's the pilot lights. That's all cast. My God. All cast. That's why this thing's heavy. That heat exchanger. Listen to this thing. That sucker is. Oh my God. It's one of them. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's heavy. Wire. More wire. I like my wire. A little more brass on the ends. I know, Adam got from the damn camera. I'm in a bad position. I ain't have nowhere to put my phone. Okay. I ain't gonna worry with taking that. I ain't gonna worry with taking that dang piece of pipe off there yet. I'm gonna leave a vise that's inside. Excuse me. Heartburn City. Okay. You know, I'm 45 years old. And you know, I have never took one of these gas valves apart. Sounds stupid as hell, doesn't it? Never really had to want to. But, I think I said I did before, but no, it wasn't this kind. It wasn't this kind here. It was off of central air unit. I took one of them apart before. Boy, they're a pain in the tail. Tedious, but you know, I never really liked to break stuff all the way down like this because I never really had time. Hell, I had to work. You know, work when I get off of work, I have to go right back to work because I was working with that heat and air guy. So I worked this job that I'm working now. And as soon as I get home, I just pack me a damn another lunch and head out on the road. And shit, basically work my damn self into the dirt. Lost my marriage and all that stuff over it, and yeah. Which, I mean, it's a good thing that she's gone. The one I got now, Dodie, she's an absolute best. She don't think so, but I do. I don't tell her that enough, but she is. She's really great. I'm just, you know, I'm not one of them type of people that just does that. I know I need to, but I'm a dummy. How in the hell? There's a damn straight screw in it, stuck around. Oh, there. The other way of the camera, Adam. Sheesh. There's a damn adjustment down inside there. Yeah, I don't know if there's anything gonna come apart. There it goes. Oh, this is the old one. So I got suckered. Ain't nothing in it. Unless it's in behind this, which I doubt. Oh, I'm gonna drop out in the yard. I might accidentally get a flat tire. Why would I have a sponge in here? Sponge is so old that my goofy butt can't get it out. Hey, it's a filter. No, I don't know what that is. Might be where the dirt divers was eating. Yeah. There ain't nothing in this one. Zero. But it is some good cast. I'll get that piece there out and get that piece there off. Throw it in the cast and take that stuff there out and them little screws out of there. No. See what's in her? There is a small piece of aluminum copper or aluminum freaking tube in here. But that's just about it. A little more copper. Number 2. Let me take this phone off this darn piece of crap thing. Alright, well, I can't flip this camera around, so I'll give you a walk around on what I did get. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't mean to make you look in the back cave. You know, I wanna do a shout out too. Somebody shared my page throughout his whole entire YouTube today, and man, I want to tell you this. I really appreciate you, dude, texting me, chit-chatting with me, talking to me. Bush Dog Scrapper, give him a holler, guys. He's a wonderful person. CU Scrapping is also another wonderful person that I've talked to personally. Really good people. I've never had better friends than these people. I mean, I have got friends that are really wonderful people, but these two guys here, one I've never met. So y'all guys, whoever's on here that ain't got them two on there, CU Scrapping, Roger, and Bush Dog Scrapper. Man, you're awesome, dude. Scrap life forever, brother. But let me show you this dadgone heater. This thing is nuts. Look at that heat exchanger in there. That thing is freaking heavy. I've gutted it, and the whole thing is gutted, except for that thing. And my God, this dude is. It's all I want. I don't want no more of it. Hell, I don't even know how to take this thing here apart. But there's nothing else in it. That's all it is just a heat exchanger. So I'm gonna try to get this from here to over here without breaking my freaking back and splitting my sack. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna get off here, move this darn thing, and I'll holler at you guys next time. You guys have a blessed day. Bush Dog, I appreciate you, brother. Peace.